Welcome students, myself Mehboob Pasha, and today in this session we are going to discuss one of the chapters of CBSE 7th Standard Science, that is heat. So students, in this chapter we are going to learn what are hot and cold bodies, next what is meant by temperature, what is meant by thermometer, and we are going to learn how to measure how to measure temperature, next transfer of heat, and in this the heat transfer takes place in three ways, that is convection and radiation. At last we are going to learn clocks in summer and winter. Okay dear students, so first let us understand what is meant by heat. Okay, so here heat is a form of energy. Okay, so what is energy then? Energy is the capacity to do the work. Okay, so without energy we cannot do anything. Even if you want to talk or if you want to listen, we need energy. So heat, there are a lot of uses of heat. So here there are some uses, that is cooking purpose. We know that without heat we cannot cook anything. Okay, so heat is used for cooking purpose. Heat is used to generate electricity. We are using this electricity. We are using electricity now, students. So to generate that electricity, heat plays a major role, and it is used in many industries. Okay, for various purpose. So for example, in metal industries, in melting and molding of metals. Next, it is used in chemical reactions. There are some chemical reactions which occurs in the presence of heat. Okay, so not only this, heat is also essential for the growth of plants and animals also. Okay, so heat is essential for the growth of plants and animals. Next, not only these uses, students, there are a lot of uses, we cannot list them. So there are so many uses with which there are so many uses of heat. Okay students, so now let us discuss what are hot and cold bodies. Dear students, you might have come across these hot bodies, that is hot coffee, frying pan at stove, hot water, hot soup, and hot dishes. You might have come across you might have seen these kind of hot bodies. Okay, so here next is cold bodies. So you might have come across these kind of cold bodies also, that is ice cream, next snow, ice cubes, cold water, and fruit juice. So these are called as hot bodies, and these are called as cold bodies. So I want to ask you something, that how we can identify whether the object is cold or hot. Suppose there is a coffee. Okay, so how we are going to identify that is the coffee is hot or cold? By the sensation of touch. Only by touching, that is only by the sensation of touch, we can we tell that the coffee or the body which we are sensing is hot or cold. Okay, suppose if there is water, so how we can tell that the water is hot or cold? Do you think that only by touching or only by the sensation of touch we can tell that the water is hot or cold? No. In each and every cases, it is not true. So only by the sensation of touch or only by touching the objects with our hand, we cannot say that the object is hot or cold. Okay. So here there is a specific word which describes that if the object is hot, really hot, then how much it is hot, and if the object is really cool, then how much it is cool. Okay, so here students, we will see that specific word is called as temperature. We will discuss about it later. Okay, so here I told you that there may be any objects, okay, that it be hot or cold. Only by the sensation of touch or only by touching at the object, we cannot say that the object is hot or cold. So to understand this, let us conduct one activity. Okay students, as I told you, only by the sensation of touch or only by touching at the object, we cannot say that the object is hot or cold. Why is it so? So let us understand. So you take three tubs. Okay, so you take three tubs. So in one tub you fill with the cold water, and in next one, second one, you fill it with the hot water, and in third tub you filled with the normal water. So here what you need to do means you put one hand in that is cold water. Okay, you put one hand in cold water and second hand in hot water. So you let it be, you keep your hands in in the water for some time. Okay, so you keep one hand in cold water and another hand in hot water for some time, that is for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now after 2 to 3 minutes you take out your hands. uh, so you take out your hands and you put both the hands in normal water. You put both the hands in the tub containing normal water. So here, so when you put one of the hand in cold water, at that time you are feeling that the water is cold. Okay, and when you put one of your hand in hot water, at that time you will be feeling that the water is hot. Okay, so when you put both the hands in normal water, at that time you will not feel that the water is normal. Okay, when you put both the hands in normal water, at that time you will not feel that the water is normal. Instead, what you feel, in one hand you will feel that the water is cold and in one hand you feel that the water is hot. So here what we have understood that only by the sensation of touch or only by touching at the object we cannot say that the object is really hot or cold. Okay students, then how we have to know, then how we must know that the object is hot or cold? Okay, so here to understand this concept, there's a specific word. Okay, that specific word is known as temperature. That specific is word is known as temperature. So the word temperature describes or tells us that if the object is hot, really hot, then how much it is hot, and the object is really cool or cold, then how much it is cold. So that specific word is known as temperature. Okay, so that specific word is known as temperature. So what is the temperature? Temperature is nothing but it is the it is a measure of okay dear students. So here what is temperature? It is the measure. Okay, so here what is temperature? It is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body, and the temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Okay, it is denoted by like this C. Okay, degree Celsius. The temperature is denoted by this. It is the unit of temperature, that is degree Celsius. So what we come across this, that is the hotness or coldness of a body is described by the specific word which is known as temperature. So what is temperature? It is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. Okay, and it is measured in degree Celsius. Understood? Only by the sensation of touch we cannot say or we cannot identify that the object is really hot or cold. Temperature tells us by knowing the temperature, by measuring the temperature of any objects or body, we can easily we will come to know easily that the object is really hot or cold. If it is really hot, then how much it is hot, and if it is really cold, then how much it is cold.